In today's video, let's flip everything around, shall we? I want to help you make your first $50, your first $100, or even your first $500, even if you've never made a single dime online before. This is a tried and true strategy that has been shown to be effective time and time again with very little effort on the part of the user because, most of the work has already been done by other people. This is the easiest work that could possibly done. There's no requirement for financial investment. There's no cost involved. And this is made available to all nations around the world. Hey, welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to earn $150 every 15 minutes using these websites, which I'll be sharing with you. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So this video is going to be all about affiliates for the website Fiverr. A lot of you have probably heard of a website called Fiverr, but don't worry, you won't have to start your own business anytime soon. You will not be using Fiverr to market your services, but instead, I'd like to share with you something exclusive, something no one else is talking about. How to become a Fiverr affiliate right here on this very video. So in this scenario, you can earn daily commission on the Fiverr platform without ever having to make a sale or provide a service. You can earn a huge sum of money by referring people to Fiverr and by signing them up for various services. So promoting the Fiverr platform can bring in daily commissions with little to no effort on your part and can help you bring in money quickly and easily. Now, don't fret. This is going to be a very simple video for anyone, especially for beginners. And at the end of this video, I'll show you a bonus where they'll do all the work for you. I'll address your primary concern right now. What is the realistic earning potential of this platform? Okay, let's check out the commission structure and see how much money we're talking about. So in general, there are two distinct commission structures available on Fiverr, so both of which are outlined on the website. The Fiverr CPA, which pays out $15 to $150, and the Fiverr Hybrid, which pays out anywhere from $5 to $99. I'll break down exactly how this plan of action is going to work for you. So Fiverr CPA commissions range from $15 to $150 per order. But how can we be sure of these numbers? That will be determined by the niche and offerings you promote. Now, they will provide a detailed description of all available options. Say, for instance, you want to earn $150 in commission from a single payment by promoting the Fiverr Pro services. Now, I'll demonstrate some of the professional services available on Fiverr that you can recommend to others. So in this case, the coolest part is that it doesn't matter if your customer buys a $100 service or a $3,000 service. They'll still pay you a generous commission of over $150 for referring a sale. This is because some of the professional local design services cost $800, $1,000, and $3,000. Even now, you have the potential to maintain a steady $150 income weekly. So if you stick around until the end of the video, I'll show you a few methods for attracting your ideal clientele, closing the deal, and sending them on the many Fiverr Pro services where you can make $150 per referral. Now, let's say you want to refer other services and earn a $50 commission by recommending them to others. So you can do so by recommending the whiteboard and animated explainers. So if you refer someone and they end up purchasing the service for $15, for instance, you still stand to make $50, which is insane. The $50 flat rate commission applies to all of these categories: web design, mobile design, e-commerce development. So you can make a lot of $40 in commission on this subcategory. You can earn a 30% commission by referring clients to a local maker web programming website, content proofreading, etc. Article writing, voice acting, and virtual assistant jobs typically pay $25 in commission. So you can earn $25 for every referral in this section. Last but not least, if you're good at everything else, you can make $15. So before continuing this video, I just want to ask you if you're interested in having a side hustle like this. You know what? Let me know in the comment section below so that we can talk about it. With that in mind, in this video, I'll show you the quickest and most effective way to make money through the Fiverr affiliate program with a focus on consistently earning a $150 commission. If you can refer just one person per day who makes a sale, you will earn $150 per day, or $4,500 per month. You can easily earn $150 in commission by referring customers to these expert services on Fiverr. So if you want to make money on Fiverr, this is a much better option than becoming a freelancer, which requires a high level of skill, the patience to wait for customers to purchase your services, and a significant investment of time. Okay, so that's the very first step towards generating commission. The second option is a kind of Fiverr hybrid. Therefore, they will not pay you a large commission all at once, but rather will pay you a total of $10. Regardless of the type of service you recommend, you will receive a $10 payment and 10% of the revenue for the remainder of the year. So let me give you an example. If the service costs $300 and you bring in new customers, you will earn a total of $10. While you can only make $10 per year, you will now have access to $10 of all the money they spend for the next 12 months. But let's say tomorrow, next week, next month, or even the months after that, they spend any amount of money on Fiverr for any service. You can still earn 10% of all the commission they spend. So there you have it, the full commission schedule for your perusal. But I'll tell you this, you should favor the Fiverr CPA method because you will be paid the one-time commission right away, allowing you to put more of your attention toward the Fiverr Pro services, where you can make $150 per order and thereby increase your overall earnings. That's the commission structure and potential earnings in a nutshell. So to become a Fiverr affiliate, simply click the join button and sign up with the account type of your choice. So if you prefer to keep things personal, select the private option. Simply enter your information and then under country, select your country of origin. They accept users from pretty much everywhere. Now don't leave just yet because I'm going to show you a few different ways to get a referral to the professional services on Fiverr. So I think it's much easier for you to focus on this category, which is graphic and design, because it's much easier to refer a sale in this category and there's just, so much demand out there. I'm going to demonstrate two distinct approaches. You can find various packages for $700, $900, and $200 if you navigate to the graphic design section of the site and click on the category drop-down menu. So this is useful if, for instance, you want to refer people to the logo design service. Commissions are the same whether you sell an expensive or inexpensive package, so referring them to much more reasonably priced packages is a great idea. If you want to earn $150 in commission, you can refer your potential customers to this service by having them click on the link of the cheap package. A lot of people really like that. So getting many recommendations for this service is now as simple if you visit reddit.com. Now Reddit functions much like a forum where anyone can sign up for free and where a large number of people regularly pose and answer questions. Let's say a potential customer needs a logo designer and asks for recommendations in a forum. This is your chance to jump in, provide a referral to service on Fiverr, and watch as the Fiverr seller does the rest of the work. Just post a short answer to that on Reddit, and the process will be repeated without any additional effort on your part. You can make $150 per day off just one customer buying your service every day. The timing couldn't be better for you to seize the fantastic possibility. Now you can also go to graphicdesignforum.com and see that people are discussing a wide variety of topics related to design and graphic design. This is where many potential clients come in search for graphic designers to hire. Increase your chances of making a sale. In that case, you can point them in the direction of your Fiverr Pro services and make an easy $150. Now that you know all of this, are you ready to earn more? Comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!